So let's say you are facing a technical error. In that case, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and utilize Qwen as a technical assistant as well. So let's say, for example, you don't have your start menu in Windows. In that case, you can simply go ahead and say, I don't see my start menu in Windows. Windows, just the other icons. What shall I do? So you can simply go ahead and then ask out technical things right here by mentioning out your problem. And then what happens is that it says if you're experiencing an issue where the start menu is missing or not visible, there are several troubleshooting steps that you can take. So you can see that it says check for simple display issues. Like it says press the Windows key first, ensure that the start menu isn't just minimized or hidden, or press the Windows key right here. Then it tells you to check the taskbar setting right here if you don't see the taskbar. So you can see and correct it and see, like let's say for example, I don't see the taskbar either. So you can simply go ahead and see this out right here. And then what happens is that it says if you're experiencing issues with both start menu and taskbar are missing, it indicates a more significant problem with Windows Shell. So you can see that it actually tells you to press Ctrl, Shift and Escape to open Task Manager. And if you can't access Task Manager, use the shortcut key Ctrl, Alt, Delete and then choose Task Manager from there. Then in the Process tab, locate Windows Explorer, and if it is not listed, run a new task and it says type Explorer and press Enter. So you can see that it gives you troubleshooting tips right here on what you can do. And that is how you can go ahead and get technical support inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.